Assalamualaikum and good evening to everyone. Today we would like to present our assignment group, Introduction to Child Development, CSZ063. First of all, we would like to introduce our team member. My name is Aiman Rafika.
My name is Aida Tarisha. My name is Nur Aini.
My name is Nabila Saleha.
This table of content: 1.0 Introduction, 2.0 Target Theory, 3.0 Biodiversity Theory, 4.0 How to Click, 4.1 Toy 1, 4.2 Toy 2, 4.3 Toy 3, 4.4 Toy 4, 5.0 Explanation, 5.1 Gadget, 5.1.1 Toys 1, 5.1.2 Toys 2, Vygotsky, 5.2.1 Toy 3, 5.2.2 Toy 4, and 6.0 Conclusion.
1.0 Introduction. Firstly, improve cognitive development. For example, toys like puzzle and building blocks help with problem solving skill. Next, can improve motor skill, such as activity as coloring and playing musical instruments to enhance fine and gross motor skill. Then, encourage social skills such as interactive games can help children learn communication and teamwork. Next, security risk. Because some toys have small parts that can cause choking. Then, reduce social interaction. For example, exercise solo play can limit interaction with peers. Finally, there are potential for interaction, like brightness or digital toy many burden children.
2.0 Target Theory. Then target theory of cognitive development describes 4 stages of how children think and learn as they grow. The first stage is sensory motor stage for child aged from birth to 2 years. Infants learn through sensory experience and movement. They develop object permanence, which is the understanding that object can exist even when not seen. For example, they searching for a hidden toy. The next stage is pre-operational stage for child 2 years to 7 years. Children develop symbolic thinking using word and image to represent objects. They struggle with conversation. And they show centration. They focus on one aspect and ignoring others. And egocentrism, which is the difficulty seeing others' perspective. The third stage is concrete operational stage for child 7 years to 11 years. This stage, child develop logical thinking and children understand conversation. They become less egocentric and understand reversibility. The last stage is formal operational stage for children 12 years and older. Abstract thinking and financial reasoning developed. They use deductive logic, plan for the future, and solve problems. problem. Piaget theory categorizes knowledge into three types, which is physical, logical, mathematical, and social or conventional knowledge.
This Vygotsky theory, socio-cultural theory of cognitive development, emphasizes the fundamental role of social interaction and culture in shaping a child learning and development. His theories contrast with Piaget by stressing that cognitive growth is largely driven by interaction, more knowledgeable others, and by engaging in meaningful activity within a cultural context. First, zone of proximal development. The ZPD refers to the range of the task that a child cannot yet do alone but can accomplish with guidance from a more knowledgeable person. Learning is more effective when instruction is targeted within zone. 2. Scaffolding. Scaffolding is the support provided by an MKO to help a children learn a new skill. As the child becomes more competent, the support is gradually removed, allowing them to perform the task independently. 3. More knowledgeable others. MKO is anyone with a better understanding of concept than the learner, such as a teacher, parent, or even peer. The MKO helps the children navigate the ZPD by providing guidance and feedback. 4. Language and tone. Vygotsky believes that language plays a crucial role in cognitive development. 5. Social and cultural influence. Cognitive development is shaped by the social environment, is to include cultural tools like language, symbol, and tradition. Learning is socially mediated process rather than an individual discovery.
How to play 4.1 Toy Wine Kitchen Set. First, role-playing fun, which is children 4 years can pretend to be chef or waiter using toy kitchen utensils to cook and serve food. Second, organizing and classifying. Kids learn to arrange children's kitchen items. It helps them to understanding classification based on shape, color, and function. And then they can pretend to run a restaurant. For example, they can prepare menus, take order, and accept payment with fake money. It also can boost communication and confidence. Children can mix and create their own dishes, helping their own dishes. It helps to develop creative thinking and decision-making skill. And the lastly, children playing with family or friends for make learning fun while improving cognitive, social, and motor skills.
4.2 times 2 puzzle. First, choose the right puzzle. Select a puzzle suitable for 4 years old. Then look for large pieces that are essential for children to hold. Next, select a puzzle with 10 to 20 pieces suitable for their age. Start with essay to combine pieces like those with straight edges from the frame. Lastly, continue fading and connecting the remaining pieces until the puzzle is complete.
4.3 method. Basically, remove Play-Doh from the container and make anti-soap. Next, creative idea. Like a making animal, use a Play-Doh like elephant, fish and caterpillar. Number 3, roll Play-Doh into long string into letter or number for fun learning. Handprint art. Press your hand into Play-Doh to make an imprint. Next, use Play-Doh tools, rolling pin, flatten the dough into smooth pieces. And next, cookie cutters, press into dough to create shape.
Toys for building blocks. The name of the form game is a building block. This relation of building blocks is suitable for 4 years old. The teacher challenged to build a house or anything else. The children play with their minds to think the design and the better structure. The children can play with their friends and also think the ideas to make store construction. Also can improve their social skill. 4. Children need to try the various other shape and construction when they're playing. For example, try to stabilize the tower or create the different shape. 5. The construction game, there will definitely be problems that arise. For example, a tower too high will easily fall. Children need to do something for this tower does not fall. 6. Lastly, children need to explain the construction they make. So children can learn to understand each activity they do. Explanation 5.1.1.1. According to Piaget theory, kitchen set can support symbolic thinking. In the pre-operational stage, children learn that one object can represent another. Second, encourage imagination. Kids pretend to make delicious food using fresh ingredients and enhancing creativity. Third, demonstrate egocentrism. At this stage, children struggle to see another perspective. The last one is boost language development, which is playing with others help improve communication and social interaction. 5.1.2 Phase 2. First, the benefit of education and development can support cognitive, motor and social development. Second, providing both entertainment and learning opportunities. This is because children have to arrange the pieces correctly to form a picture, object or pattern. Next, problem solving skills based on Jean Piaget's theory to help children think and strategize. While solving puzzle. Finally, improve cognitive skills. For example, can improve focus memory and creative thinking.
5.2.0 title. First, Play-Doh is a soft and colorful and not glossy. Modeling compound used for creatively. It allows children to shape, mold and create different objects using their hands and various tools. Play-Doh is widely used for fun activity learning and even therapeutic purpose. 2. Soft and easy to move. It's smooth and playable, making it easy for kids to shape. Colorful, available in many bright colors, allowing children to mix and create new shapes. Non-toxic and safe, made from wheat-based formula. Play-Doh is safe for kids. Usable is stay soft is stored properly in a tight container. Versatile, can be used for making animals, food, model, letters, number and more.
to correspond. First, this learning about social systems which are very important in children cognitive development. Two, the development understanding of the concept of shape, space and balance. Children can improve their motor skill in arranging blocks and hence eye coordination. They can learn to cooperate and communicate with friends so that they can get along and each other. Children can also learn from failure when the construction debut can fall. This activity can give their experience and social activities that have played. Can develop various skills that are important for life of critical thinking and creativity for the coordination of fine motor skills. Conclusion: Jean Piaget and Lev Vygotsky are two important figures in the field of learning, child development and education. Jean Piaget, learning occurs through active experience and interaction in individual or with their environment. Lev Vygotsky more to focus on the role of society and culture in learning. Vygotsky can reach a higher level of understanding with appropriate support from more knowledgeable people. Proposes a new idea of more effective learning to help of adults or peers through the concept of the zone of proximal development. Piaget and Vygotsky's learning have made many important contributions to our understanding of learning. The combination of these two views provide a more comprehensive picture of how children learn and develop. That's all for our team. Thank you.